Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a marshmallow brown butter iced latte. Now I wanted to make this because I had a little bit of brown butter left over. If you've seen what I made the brown butter, I only got like a little bit left. I started to name it brown butter marshmallow, but since I'm gonna have more marshmallow than brown butter, I decided to put the marshmallow first. As well as a combination of the marshmallow creamer I made. It's stuck in the bottle. I like it when it come out. Add a little bit more milk to shake it up, but get a knife and cut it. My 2 packets of instant coffee. It's salt inside of the marshmallow creamer. I got my milk, and also gonna be using the marshmallow creamer inside of my coffee as well. So yeah, I'll make it started. I want to take a little bit of the marshmallow creamer and pour a little bit on here. Take my cup and rim it. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't know. Because I ain't got nothing to like put around it. I really don't know why I'm doing this. Just want to be a little extra. It's the only way I see it. I want to make the cold foam. I'm going to take half of my brown butter. Just about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to mix it. No salt because the butter is already salted, the brown butter. And like I told you, I have a little bit of salt inside of the marshmallow. It smells good. It's good. The marshmallow and get a little bit of that brown butter because I didn't put too much. I made my coffee with the other half. Okay, I have my 2 packets of coffee. This coffee smells good. I should know. I like this cafe. I actually like this better than Blue Stella. Because one thing about me, I love coffee with a smell to it too. Of course, I can't get like the fresh beans and all. I don't have all that. But I'm trying to yippity out and my son voice. Yeah, so I don't know, but usually when I see recipes where people actually use the machine, I guess it's an espresso or something like that. It don't look watered down, so maybe because it's a better technology. I don't know. I just know these instant coffees do it for me. Well, majority of them. All right, and now I'm adding my milk. Put this top on there and shake it up. A little bit more sugar, but not all the way there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to open you up. It's giving an emergency C-section. I gotta get you out of here. You move out there real quick. Yeah. I gave you a chance. I'm having a hard time opening this up all the way I can, but a little time consuming and I ain't trying to hurt myself. Okay, this is almost safer. Let's see if they were good at where the hole at. So I don't know why I didn't think about this before. Yes, y'all. No, open one way or another. And then, yeah, if anybody made their own marshmallow creamer, put it in a bigger tube container because they didn't want to come out. But I got y'all. I'm gonna put some more. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, hopefully that should be enough. All right, put the lid and shake it up. All right, one more time. Hopefully. Not as sweet as I would like it, but it's sweet enough. Don't too much get that brown butter, but like I said, it wasn't too much anyways. All right, I got my cup. Put my coffee. That seemed like a little chunk, so I should have used my food processor. Yeah. All right, now I'm putting my cold foam. Well, it didn't come out white on top. As it sit there with the coffee. It is good. I did taste the brown, but I just taste a bit at the top. It's not as sweet because it needed to be combined better, and I should use the food processor. I know the amount that I put in there is still not enough for me, but it's decent. It's a little bit more at the bottom. It's good though. It's like a simple iced coffee. The brown butter is not starved, which I know away because I didn't put that much in it because they had that much left over. And then the marshmallow, like I said, it wasn't as sweet to I like it, and it should have been a little bit smoother. But I will rate it's still good though. I'll rate it to 9.4. I do taste those clumps of marshmallow, but it's not bad. 9.4, y'all. Just take the necessary steps to make it smoother. And some people actually might like it like this, like don't want it too sweet. Might think it's too sweet, so. But yeah, this is good. Make this, y'all. Make it. God bless it.